Hi everybody, I'm Amy, and this is what's happening for the week of July 8th at the Fitchburg Senior Center. So there are new hours for the city, if you haven't already heard. The entire city at City Hall and the Senior Center will be closed on Fridays at 2 p.m. City Hall started that back in June, and the Senior Center is starting that in July. So you can get all of your needs met before 2 o'clock on Fridays. So looking forward to that. And then we now have transportation to the farmers market, which is so great. If you have farmers market vouchers that you are wanting to use and you have no way to get to the farmers market, you can just call Susie and she will hook you up for a ride. The transportation hours are between 3 p.m. and 4:30. So don't miss out on that. And then life is better when you laugh. This workshop is fun and dynamic, and it's a discussion about what role humor plays in our lives. And the best part is that it's free. Yep, it's free. And it's on July 18th at 1 o'clock. And then who can benefit from acupuncture? Well, just about everybody, if you don't mind being poked by a needle. And no, it does not hurt. It really does not. So come and meet Dr. Joe, our residential acupuncturist. He'll be here on July 16th to answer all your questions, and you can learn about what are the benefits. And then there's a new program alert, Pilates. We're having Pilates here at the Senior Center, so exciting. It's with Gayle, and that's gonna start in later July. We don't have the dates yet, but please stay tuned to your news flash or sign posted at the Senior Center. Looking forward to that. And then line dancing with Nancy. That's on Thursday, starting on July 11th in the Oak Hall Room from 11 to 12. You can sign up for the whole session, or there are also drop-ins for $8. You don't want to miss it. All you have to do is wake up and show up. Where the coffee's always hot, you'll find friends, smiles, and maybe even a hug. We'll see you right here. Bye-bye.